Guys, today we are going to see the spot healing brush tool. You can find in the toolbar. So the hotkey for the spot healing brush tool is J. So after you're selecting the tools, it will act like a brush. So you can increase your brush size by using the open square bracket or close square bracket. So in the tool properties, you can find like three options. So I recommend just use the first and second. So the third one doesn't work well. So the first content aware and the create texture is kind of same. So I just just select the one thing and just keep on clicking wherever you want to clean up. So you can see the black spots are easily removed. So I'm just trying with the create texture too. So you can see that it doesn't make any difference. It looks cool. So you can either use content aware or just create texture. Both looks good. So you can just click to make it go away, or you can just click and drag and use like a brush. So you can see you can use like a brush. Even that will work fine. But don't try to just drag too much, so it doesn't gonna end well. So you can see, just keep on clicking and dragging and just remove whatever thing you need to take off from the face. So if you just drag too much, this is what happens. See, so just don't do that. So after you're done with this, you can see it looks perfect. So this is the best tool to heal your face or anything. So that's it for